So our third case study um, is an interesting one that we're very proud of. We're proud of all of our systems, but it's one that we've actually learned from too. Because sometimes I find in a lot of these presentations or groups, they always tout their successes and not their learning experiences or what they've learned from that. And that's what we did this one. We're very proud. We helped design, and this is a proprietary design that we had of an emergency unit. And what we did is we blended a bunch of technologies, but we made it in a very robust horse trailer or pulling trailer. That could carry up to 16,000 pounds. So this could be moved and delivered, and you'll see some of our videos about this, by a light truck or a medium-sized truck, which is almost everywhere in across the world. So everyone knows how to move a trailer, but it was very heavy. So we, on our next design, had it where it was more robust axles, bigger tires for different locations. So that's where we're always cognizant of where this is being delivered to. We also do prefer, since these designs, because they are a sea container, as you'll see in almost all of our designs, sea containers of 20 or 40 foot standard sea containers. It can go up to extended 55 if we need to, but almost everyone knows how to move standard sea containers. Trailers, this can be moved by two forklifts on and off of a flatbed, a barge, or it can be driven. So we're proud of this because we were able to blend in a bunch of technologies, and this is an emergency trailer bagging unit, or emergency response unit, or we've also called it emergency response container, because since our development of the installations of these, and even though if you do even buy it and leave it, we're still always monitoring and watching and trying to find out to make it better for our next clients and you, because as we all know, things change, life changes, and this was a huge success. But it was very expensive. It's very expensive putting it in a trailer, very heavy with it being bagged, and a lot of people are just saying we just want water. So that's okay. We've moved it around and resold it a couple of times for our clients, and people have done very well. But one of the biggest things with this is we took some established technologies and put it together in one. So it truly was mobile. It truly was something that you can move via trailer. And what we noticed from this too is a lot of people brought their own containers, brought their own sources to collect the water, and they were loving just the excess water. It also was providing bags, so that's harmful for the environment. But in an emergency situation, there wasn't much of a choice. This actual unit too uses double reverse osmosis, multifiltration, ozone, UV, pre-filtration. You could have taken this from any sort of swamp water and provide quality clean drinking water at 0 parts per million. It's amazing. We have air conditioning. You can see it on the side. We have heaters if it's Arctic type conditions where they've been. Super hot air conditioning. So we love learning, and as you can see, safety with having fire extinguishers, lights, meeting or exceeding all health standards and codes. What we noticed is there wasn't the same safety precautions, so we put in extra sensors. That's what we do with all of our partners to make sure we meet or exceed your local water standards, health and safety standards, and environmental standards, all while making it very efficiently priced and competitive. So this one we learned that we're probably better, and our clients better, just have a sea container that can be moved or shipped rather than a trailer, or make it lighter and don't have it bagged, just bulk water. Again, it's a great process of us always trying to find and develop something that's bigger or better or more efficient. And we do that, and we're very proud of that with our amazing partners. So this is an emergency bagging trailer unit. It was unique and proprietary to us, and we're excited about that. If you were wanting to get one of these trailers, again, we'd steer you more towards a container. We'd steer more towards some larger tires. And it's not an upsell, but it's more of just, what do you need? What's your solution locally? And let's use one of our examples or design one for you. Again, we love troubled problems and we love creative financial solutions. And that's the end of our third scenario. We can give you more details on this and specs as for all of our other three details. And the next short video, which should be queued right up here, will be our summary.